Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harika. I'm pursuing BTech third year in TKR College of Engineering and Technology, specialized in computer science engineering. My topic for today's TechView presentation is edge computing. How edge computing is used, where it can be used. The edge computing that occurs by placing workloads at the edge of cooperative networks where the data is being created is known as edge computing. The edge computing is defined as the position where the end devices can access the rest of the network devices like laptop, phones, machines, routers, sensors. This technology is used to connect IoT devices so they can deliver data efficiently and very easily, receive instructions quickly, and download software updates from a cloud or data center without a hassle. Edge computing is a new approach to network architecture where first in cloud computing continues to play an important role, and secondly the new possibilities offered by IoT devices which are capable of processing the data are forcing companies to their approach to IT infrastructures. Edge devices collects shots and performs the analysis of data, and after processing stores the data it to be destined place. Now we are coming to what is edge computing. Edge computing is an open distributed computing paradigm that ensures speedy computations, handles data activities, network operations, and data storage. It brings the devices closer to the place, as a result improving the post time and saving bandwidth. It features decentralized processing power, enabling mobile computing and Internet of Things. Edge computing is the optimization of cloud to move the compute close to the source of the data to the edge. One definition of the edge computing is any type of computer program that delivers low latency near to the request. Cloud computing operates on a big data, while edge computing operates on the instant data. That is real-time data generated by a sensor or users. Here there are two nodes where they can be used in the gaming streaming are known as gamlets, which are useful one or two hops away from the client. The edge node is mostly way one or two hops away from the mobile client to meet the responses time constraints for real-time games in the cloud gaming context. What is the need of edge computing? How we can use it? What is the need? The edge computing platform works by allowing application processing to be performed by a small edge server positioned between the cloud and the user. The network edge lowers the data transport time and increases the availability. The objective of this technology is to compute logics and data to the edge network so the data will not return to the central server every time the function is executed by an IoT device. In similar way, the aim of edge computing is to move the computation away from the data centers towards the edge of the network, exploiting smart objects, mobile phones, or network gateways to perform tasks and provide services on behalf of the cloud. Concepts in edge computing are privacy and security, how privacy and security works in the edge computing platform. Not only should data be encrypted, but different encryption mechanisms should be adopted since data may transfer between different distributed nodes connected through the internet before eventually reaching the cloud. When we coming back to scalability, security requirements may introduce further latency in the communication between nodes, which may slow down the scaling process. Efficiency in the edge computing. This placement at the edge helps to increase the operational efficiency and contributes many advantages to the system. Speed in the edge computing brings analytic computational resources closer to the end users and therefore helps to speed up the communication speed. Benefits in edge computing. Advantages. When we come to advantages of edge computing can be very much be useful in device nodes, traffic, data volume, cost distributed computing application. Real-time data processing. These are also some of the advantages in the edge computing. This is the core objective of edge computing. Since the data computing happens locally, that can achieve real-time data processing. The economical monitoring approach of real-time processing prevent many concerns even prior to the occurrence. High speed and low latency. The data is not traveling every time to the cloud server. Network can greatly reduce latency and can enhance data processing performance. When data is connected closer to the user, information can be shared quickly, securely, and without latency. Edge computing is combined with 5G, has a result reducing the latency to 1 million seconds. When we compare to another advantage, reduced internet bandwidth usage and associated cost. Edge can significantly reduce internet bandwidth usage and cost. Since the data processing happens at the edge network, the server resources are free most of the time, and can be utilized in another cloud specific operations. Hence, it can be reduced server resources utilizes and is associated with cost. Responsive and robust application performance can achieve by uploading the processing logic to the logical edge environment. Therefore, it improves the business efficiency, reliability of doing critical operations in local environment without feeling about the network or disconnecting the networks. Distributed security. The key advantage of edge computing is distributed security, thus minimizing the direct interaction with the cloud. As a result, it reduces the risk of the DDoS attacks that cripple networks and maintains the security. Increased reliability. Micro data centers operates in all manner of environment due to which the encryption occurs due to internet and cloud are gone. Edge computing brings everything closer to the user. They can be used in used and support a robust, secure, intelligent on premises infrastructure. Potential industries using edge computing. Nowadays, many of the industries, infrastructures, healthcare, energy sectors, travel, transport, airlines, shipping industries are using the edge computing, public sectors and manufacturing, agriculture. Challenges that are faced by edge computing: co-location cloud data centers. The method of prevent housing servers and network devices in the third-party data center is co-location. To ensure smooth edge computing operates, would require setting up or collaborate with the local data centers, which itself will bring a lot of challenges in terms of data replacement. 5G technology. 5G wireless technologies are also used in edge computing, which has a delivery of high speed with a greater experience, thus enhancing user experience to a greater 5G working is required to accelerate real-time applications such as videos processing, autonomous cars, AI intelligence, deep learning, and robotics. But in need, it is a challenge for the developer to maintain the 5G technology and provide all the features without any strong security management. Strong data security tools and policies play a major role. Data for edge computing. The securing code be a challenge and troublesome, especially when handled by a different devices that might be or not be as secure when we compare to edge computing. uh, Continuous local hardware maintenance. With edge computing, the number of edges devices also increases. Thus, it involves large investments and more maintenance cost. When we compare cloud computing versus edge computing is known as one of the new trendsetters that have raised 5G wireless technologies. It needed 5G, an enormous group of networks wired together with the optic fiber connections to provide transmitters and base stations which promote access to the digital data. People often use cloud computing and edge computing interchangeably. These are the few differences between cloud computing and edge computing, how they are differ from each other. In cloud computing, the IoT devices generates the data and save to it a centralized cloud server for further data processing. When we compare to edge computing, with edge computing, the edge interface comes in between IoT devices and cloud servers. This edge cloud could be directly connected to the IoT devices, but when compared to cloud computing, it cannot be connected to IoT devices directly or configure the closest possible to the device. The objective of this technology is to compute logics and data to edge network so that the net data will not return to the central server every time. The function is executed by an IoT device. In cloud computing, the data process is initiated through central managed system, which makes processing more time dependent and less efficient. In case of edge computing, the initial processing is done by the edge, while a centralized managed system carries rest. The files or applications present in the cloud processing are directly accessed by the servers. In edge computing, the process is done on the edge network. The technology used to access the backend data that might be efficient enough to provide real-time monitoring and analysis is in cloud computing. When we compare to edge computing, real-time analysis and monitoring of data is possible. The data processing is happening on the server, which is far away from the devices. Thus, it increases the data latency and consumption of network band. The edge computing is used to reduce the network latency and enhance its speed and performance. The speed and flexibility of edge computing is flexible, is used for handling data by creating an existing range of possibilities for organization. Cloud computing technologies process the data that is not driven by time. Edge computing technologies process time sensitive data. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Erika. Another tech that we are using, right?
Yes.
We see it very often in our systems. We are using edge computing in ways every day. So, any questions, any ideas? Sir, Ranjil, Shan, any ideas?
No, sir, not for now.
See, edge computing is very simple to define. Your It's like a network. It's a network. It's an external network. Right?
Yes.
One network is there. The cloud network is there. The server network is already there, and edge network is the outskirts of that network, which can actually process the data in minutes. So it's the most simple and simplest definition of edge computing. And in ways we are all connected to the edge computing system, like the Google servers. Like every
Yes.
network provider, I don't know any network provider in the country which does not provide Google or Edge network platform. Same with the Facebook servers. Though the Facebook servers are connected to the Edge networks much fluently in the recent years, but now they are discontinuing with the servers. Now they are trying to get connected to the India Pacific network, Oceanic network. So if they do that, then Facebook will also be faster. They will also be get an edge network in India and other countries in Asia, Southeastern Asia. It's more about it. Microsoft already has it. It has a big MSN network all over the globe. That's more of the edge computing thing.
Yes, sir, I want to add something. Yes, the advent of 5G, when 5G starts, even 5G starts in India and all over the world, 5G network, then it will be a combination of edge computing, cloud computing, IoT, and quantum computing, everything. So whole level of computing will
Not
go up,
quantum
higher level.
computing, not the 100% of its space. We can expect quantum computing in certain cases, like the basic server-side processing and other stuff. But
Yes, quantum computing basic level, but edge computing, cloud computing, Internet of Things. These will be the most commonly used
They will
systems
all
that
be
will be there.
combined. They will all be
Combined.
combined to form a huge network of
Huge net.
computers, robots, AIs, and whatnot. Whatever you can think today will become a reality tomorrow. Very simple.
And that will be accessed, that can be accessed by a mobile phone also. I mean, 5G phones that is going to come. So that can be
Yeah.
a,
Even
besides
last day
the
we had,
regular,
yeah, last day
yeah,
we had a
besides the regular video and Skype and Zoom and the regular things which we have. So we can we can access other edge computing and all the other devices. IoT through IoT we can access other devices. So it will be artificial AI, as I say. AI will be very prominent. And for example, browser, whatever you are browsing, that data will be will be captured by the company which by the site which you are seeing. For example, you're doing Facebook. So how much time did you do Facebook? How many? What are the sites you visited? What are the groups which you are in? So all that data will be accessible by the company, and that can be used for example, for advertising and other purpose, and for
and
making it more user
and
friendly.
once the edge computing comes into play, what will happen? These companies will form an internet network, right? The AdSense network that we have right now, the internet networks, AdSense and ad monetization networks that we have,
Yeah.
they will become much more connected because they will need to exchange the data. So there will be huge corporations who will be selling and buying this data, which we already have a few. Like Facebook is there, Google is there, MSN was there. MSN is now moving on to other things, moving on to IoT and stuff. Yahoo was there. Yahoo actually died on.
Bing,
Sorry,
Bing.
Bing is Microsoft, right? MSN Networks. Microsoft. It was MSN previously. MSN was converted into Bing. Their last attempt. Now they are almost in the verge of selling it off to Google.
So digital marketing will also change. The whole concept of digital marketing will change totally. I mean,
The
not
concept
totally. Quite a
the
lot of
concept
things
of
will
digital
change.
marketing will not change. The idea, how we market today, it will be different tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be
Yes.
needing analytical data. We just can't go
Right.
around and just promote our things and expect it to be popular. It won't be there. We will actually have to rely on analytical data. Like what is the trend now? What people want? That data will be needed, and that data will be sold off by these people. There will be black marketing also be done.